In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Microsoft Teams meeting using an invite link, a straightforward process that allows you to connect with colleagues, friends, or classmates. Whether you're using the desktop app or a web browser, we'll make sure you have all the guidance you need to join smoothly and without any hassles. First things first, you'll want to click on the invite link you've received. This link could have been sent to you through email, a calendar invite, or maybe shared with you via a message. Once you click on this link, you'll be directed to the Microsoft Teams platform. It's like opening the door to the meeting room where the session is about to take place. Now, you have a couple of options. If you already have the Teams app installed on your device, the link will automatically try to open it there. This is generally the preferred method, as the app tends to provide a smoother and more integrated experience with handy features. On the other hand, if you don't have the app already installed, or perhaps you're using a device where you can't install software, no worries. You can also join the meeting using a web browser. This method is quite convenient and works well, especially if you're joining a meeting on the go or from a shared computer. When joining via a web browser, you'll be prompted to decide whether you want to join the conversation via the app or to continue on your browser. If you're taking this route, it's important to use a browser that's compatible with Microsoft Teams, such as Chrome or Edge. These browsers ensure that the audio, video, and sharing features work properly during your meeting. Next, if you're joining the meeting as a guest, meaning you don't have a Microsoft Teams account associated with the organization hosting the meeting, you will need to enter your name. Simply type in how you'd like to be identified during the meeting. It's a simple step, but it's crucial because this is how others in the meeting will recognize you. Make sure you choose a name that makes sense for the context of the meeting. This enhances clarity and communication. Joining a Teams meeting through an invite link is a very accessible and user-friendly process. Remember, whether you're using the app or your browser, being somewhat familiar with how Teams works can enhance your experience. Spend a moment beforehand adjusting your microphone and camera settings to ensure everything is in order and that you're ready to participate fully. That's all there is to it. With these steps, joining a Microsoft Teams meeting using an invite link should be a seamless experience. Hopefully, this guide has made it easy for you to get connected and collaborate effectively. Thanks for watching and enjoy your meeting.